In the previous video we will discuss about the DH parameters. So in this video we will discuss about the link transformations. We already discussed about the link description, the four parameters: link length, link twist, link offset, joint angle, and how to assign this frame to different links or joint axis. So link transformation is just simply transformation from joint axis I minus 1 to I, and for first we just assign a frame about this joint axis I minus 1. This is our z axis, this is x axis, and this is y axis. So first step is to reach this joint axis I. The first step is rotate the frame about x-axis of frame I minus 1 by an angle alpha I minus, means rotate the frame about x I minus 1 axis by an angle which is equal to the link offset, means we rotate this frame along this x-axis by angle alpha I minus 1, and this is the mathematical representation of this rotation. And we can see that we just rotate the frame about this axis, and this axis came here, and this axis goes bottom direction. And after that the second step is translate along xi minus 1 by a distance ai minus, means leg length, means we translate this frame along this x minus 1 axis by by distance link length, that is we translate this frame to this point. And this is the mathematical representation of this translation by using homogeneous transformation, and we can see that this frame is translate to this point. After that this third step is translate that frame along z axis by a distance di, that is link offset. And this is the mathematical representation by using 4 by 4 homogeneous matrix, and this frame is translate by distance di minus 1 along di minus 1 along this axis, means this frame is translate from this point to this point. And we can see that now this frame is dotted represent the previous position, and this bold lines represent the next position. Now rotate this frame about z axis by an angle theta, that is joint angle, and this is the mathematical representation by using homogeneous transformation, means this frame is rotated about this axis by an angle theta, that is theta I minus 1. And we can see that this frame is rotated by angle theta, and this total line is previous position and this is final position. And thus we get the transformation of this frame from joint axis I minus 1 to I. We can once again see that this is final position and this is the initial position from its start. First it rotate, after that it translate, and then again it's translate, and then it's rotate, and thus we get the final position. And to get the whole mathematical equation from transformation from joint axis I minus 1 to I, we just multiply the four matrix which we obtained in 4 steps. This is matrix obtained for first step, second step, and third step, and fourth step. And we just multiply these 4 matrix and we get the final description of transformation from joint axis I minus 1 to I. And these rotation and translation combination matrix is known as screw because it is translate and rotate about the same axis. And this is the final description which we want to determine.